In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark from PDF using PDFfiller. Now, this is only possible in case you have a watermark which you actually added inside the PDFfiller itself. So let me show you how to do this. You want to go to Edit and Fill, top left, and then from here you can see a bunch of different tools, and one of them is watermark. Now, if you don't see it, click on Tools over here, and it should be down here. So click on it, and from here where it says watermark, you could go and just uncheck it, and it's going to remove that watermark. Now, if it's not in PDFfiller where you have actually added the watermark, for example, you've added it in a different program, you could still try and see if it's going to show up in here as well. So, for example, if you have done this in a different program, you now open it up, you have the watermark and you wish to remove it, you could still look at over here in case it's over here, but if it's not, you could also try going to Edit and Fill over here on the left. So if I close this, there we go, and under Edit and Fill, you could go and click on Select, and then you could just basically click on the watermark and see if you can select it and actually remove it. Now, if it doesn't work, then unfortunately there's no way to do this because it's been basically flattened into your PDF and you won't be able to do it here inside the PDFfiller. So that's basically the easiest way to remove it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.